What's up, Freedom Gorillas? As promised, we have an action-packed video for you today on the Arken EP8 1:8 LPVO. We are going to be showing you guys the reticle at every magnification level all the way out to 600 yards today, as well as the illumination in the reticle out to 600 yards and at every different magnification level. And then just for fun, to show you how the reticle works, we're gonna shoot it on steel out to 300 yards. It's gonna be a great video, stay tuned. And as always, everything you see in today's video can be found at freedomgorilla.com for the best price and free shipping. We have a link down in the description below. Click that link, get yourself set up, you'll be glad you did. Alrighty guys. Here we have the reticle at 8x at 100 yards. As you can see, very, very good performance and a phenomenal field of view. Reticle is very clean. Now we move on to 200, same thing. 300 yards, very, very usable reticle still, great performance. 400 yards, we're in the shadows there, and that is really impressive. That glass is putting in a lot of work in those shadows. Now 500 yards, keep in mind those are very, very small targets. Now 600 yards, that is really, really impressive out of only an 8x magnification optic. That is awesome. And here we have the reticle at 1x magnification at 100 yards with the illumination on. As you can see, it gives you that MRS style reticle, which is very, very usable at close engagements. Now we pan up through the magnification range here, and you could see that reticle grows, being first focal plane, and all the way at the top, we have 8x and a BDC reticle with the center horseshoe illuminated. Now we move on to 200 yards. Very usable. Now we jump back to 400, and the low light performance is excellent with that illumination. Now back to 3. As you could see, it's doing very well in both daylight settings and low light settings. And here we have 500 yards lastly. It's very bright out there and it's doing a great job. And now, of course, the moment that you have all been waiting for, we are going to shoot it on steel out to 300 yards. I'm not even going to say anything in this portion of the video. Just take a listen to that sweet sound of ringing steel.
There it is.
Alrighty guys, and that's going to bring us to our final thoughts. Here at Freedom Gorilla, we love Arken optics. We believe these are one of the best bang for the buck optics on the market. A lot of optics in this price range, you are not going to get the type of performance that you get out of this glass. They are a fantastic deal. I think the EP8 performs great. The reticle is very usable. The illumination is very usable. We do have 2 night vision modes on this optic. The glass is fantastic, as I said. That's really where you get the performance for the money out of these, is all in the glass. The reticle, very usable at every single magnification range, at every distance that we shot this out to today. And we are just blown away by Arken. As I said, link in the description below, freedomgorilla.com, best price and free shipping. Go grab one while you can. They don't last long. These are a steal for the money. And as always, guys, thank you all so much for watching. We appreciate each and every single one of you. And remember to subscribe to Freedom Gorilla for the best optic content on YouTube. We will see you guys in the next video.